Keurig K-Select Coffee Maker, single-serve K-Cup pod coffee brewer, with strength control and hot water on demand, matte black. The Keurig K-Select single-serve coffee maker combines sleek design and more intuitive features to help you brew your perfect cup every single time. It features 4 brew sizes, so you can brew 6, 8, 10, or up to 12 ounces of your favorite coffee, tea, hot cocoa, or iced beverage with the touch of a button. And for those who like a stronger cup of coffee, the Keurig K-Select Brewer is the perfect choice. The Strong Brew feature kicks up your coffee's strength and intensity, so you can enjoy a bolder brew. Choose from hundreds of delicious varieties of K-Cup pods, or brew your own ground coffee with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter, sold separately. With the K-Select Brewer, you can brew 5 cups between refills of the large 52 ounces water reservoir. What's in the box? 1 water filter handle and 1 filter to help ensure your beverages taste their absolute best. Brews multiple cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, 12 ounce. Enjoy the most popular cup sizes, all with quiet brew technology, minimizing noise during use. Strong Brew kicks up your coffee's strength and intensity. Programmable auto off. Large 52-ounce water reservoir allows you to brew 5 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Simple button controls, just insert a pod, select your desired cup brew size, and get fast and fresh brewed, delicious coffee in minutes. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.